Hi, this is Litre Total Parts Plus. Today with 2010 Ford Fiesta, stock number 6509. This ran from the 8th 2008 to the 1st 2011. It has a WS 1.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine, backed by a 4-speed automatic transmission. This is a WS 1.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front 15-inch factory alloy mega tyre. Left rear 15-inch factory alloy mega tyre. Left rear tail light. Right rear tail light. Right rear 15-inch factory alloy mega tyre. Right rear door 1 dent and scratch. Right front door mirror. Right front 15-inch factory alloy mega tyre. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Automatic air shifter. Heater AC controls. Factory single stack stereo. Display cluster. Interior mirror. Front courtesy light. Left front sun visor. Right front sun visor. Factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel. Instrument cluster.